AGRIST harvesting robot. Back in 2016, Japan's agriculture ministry planned to replace retiring farmers with robots. Fast forward to 2023, and AGRIST's harvesting robot made an appearance at the CES trade show. This robot is impressive. It can pick peppers with extreme precision, even handling leaves without any trouble. It uses cameras and a special AI to move and pick the peppers. Plus, it can predict the right time for harvest, check how ripe the peppers are, and estimate how many days until they're ready. What's surprising is its price tag. Less than $10,000, much cheaper than most similar robots that usually cost 6 to 7 times more.